Aloha, this is Onyo. What I'm doing is I'm going to show you how I wrap Crownless Papale hat. So after this is first made, I prefer my hat to look kind of like this when you wear it. But you know, Lauhala has memory. So if you don't put it in a position like this, sometimes it won't go. So this is what I devised. I devised a box like this that's going to bend the hala back this way over here. And then when you open it up, you remove the rubber band, and this is how, and then so like you see how the natural shape of the hala hat is. This is a lot better. Okay, so let me show you how this is how I do it. I'm going to put this off to the side, and then so this is a box that I got from Ace Hardware for $1. I'm going to set this over here, and there's two sides to it. One side has all this rubbish over here, and this other side doesn't. I'm going to get this over here. I'm going to put my hat here. Then my next step is to cut the shape of the hat. We're making right through here. Yes. Not quite. Yeah, so this is the side that I'm wanting. I'll put this off to the side. So now I'm going to get this, and I'm going to cut the end pieces, yeah? Because we don't need this extra thing. That's one side. I'm going to flip this over. Get this here, and make sure you don't cut your leg. So now I need to get the center of the hat, and I have a little pen. I'm going to mark it. I am going to take this off, and then I'm going to put it at the end, making sure I don't cut through the whole box. And I'm just going to cut this right around. Now I'm going to leave some extra off to the right. This is how I cut it. So this is the actual puka for the hat, but we don't need that. And then I'm going to remove this. So when I put it down over here, it's going to be like this. Now I get the hat. I'll put the string on the outside. I do this. And it should fit perfect. Okay, so now I want this section over here to drop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut right here. Make a slight incision here. I'll make another incision over here. And then I am going to take the hat out of the box. I am going to cut this section off right here. So when it bends properly. And then so the incision was right here. I'm going to mark this right here. This was here. I make an incision here. I'm going to bring this back, and then this is how it bends. Yeah, I'm going to put my hat back. Reason why I made this somewhat oblong is because sometimes I have a little here, an ornament, and these are the ornaments that I use, and I add it to the string. Yeah, I put it over here, but this is magnetic, and I'm going to put this over here so this can be placed wherever you want it. But because of this extra area, I'm going to put it here like this. There. Bend it down so that it keeps that form. And this is tire tube rubber that I'm just going to put down over here. There. And so you can do as many angles or as much angle as you want. And this is how I store my Crownless Papale. That is it. Mahalo.